Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see the things that internet made me buy. I am on the internet throughout the day, throughout the night. I'm scrolling Instagram, YouTube all day. So there are a lot of things that internet makes me tempt to buy them. So yeah, there are a lot of things. So let's head to the video. Out of all the things that I have been tempted to buy online, this is the one that I really dearly love, and that's a perfume. I'm a perfume girly. I love perfumes. So it is the Latafas Eclair. Uh, it smells so gourmand. If you are a gourmand girly, you definitely have to try this out. But yeah, it is really pretty and smells amazing. सो जो दूसरा प्रोडक्ट है आई थॉट कि यार एक ऑयली तो है, इसमें इतना क्यों लोग रेव कर रहे हैं, लाइक व्हाट इज सो स्पेशल अबाउट द ऑयल. बट व्हेन आई यूज्ड इट फॉर माई सेल्फ आई वाज लाइक ओ आई गेट इट नाउ दैट कि इतना ज़्यादा हाइप क्यों क्रिएट किया हुआ था. बट बिकॉज दिस ऑयल इज लव. Okay, I am talking about the Indie Wild Chumpy oil. If you are somebody who is not willing to, oil your hair because the oil smells weird, then you should definitely try this out. It has a subtle hint of jasmine. Just feels good when you oil your hair with this. And as we are still in the hair care section, I would really want to show you a shampoo. It really cleanses your oils and makes your, and also does not dry your hair. So I thought कि ये तो try करना चाहिए. So I got the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Pure shampoo. It is just like the clay wala shampoo. I'll put up a picture here. The clay wala shampoo that used to come previously. It is just like that. Same but a different texture. It's more like a clarifying shampoo and not a daily shampoo. A very different kind of a product from the hair care range, and that has to be BBlunt's Intense Moisture Lamellar Treatment Water. This is magic in a bottle, and I'm not even kidding. You get the same from Kerastase, but it's way more expensive than this. This one is like a wash off product. You just have to do your shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, whatever, and this has to be a last step. Just put it on wet hair and leave it on for around 1 minute and rinse it off. These are heatless rollers. You just have to take one, put it in your hair, roll it up, keep it overnight. And I think the best part about this is that it has a loop situation here. It just locks in, and to be honest, it did not make me uncomfortable while I was sleeping. So yeah, try it out. The next product is a definite random buy that I just saw online, somebody using it, and I was like, oh wow, it is so compact. I think I should have it too for my sling bag. So I got it. It's just a cute little hairbrush. Okay, if I show you like this, you'll be like, what is this? What even is this? Okay, now, okay, it has a mirror and it's an hairbrush. Look, it's so cool. And it just, that's it. And I'm done. Really, the internet gods were like, you need this product. तेरे पास ये होना चाहिए. And I was like, yeah, this product is made for me. Like all the influencer Devis said ki this product is meant for you. So I'm like, okay, I need to get it. And I got it. It's the VT Cosmetics Retail Shot 100. If you don't know and you're living under a rock, this is micro needling in a bottle. And if you want the review on this or how it feels, I will link my shorts video somewhere and you can check that out. Now, as we are moving into the skincare, I really want to show you a product, and I think you have seen this already. This is the Nivea Luminous Even Glow Serum. This is an oil control serum. I am a dry skin type. I don't know why I got it. I just got it because it has the ingredient thiamidol. And if you don't know, thiamidol is also in a product from Eucerin. It's the anti-pigment serum. I'll put up a picture here. Maybe if this has the same ingredient, I should try this out. But I don't like it at all. It just tingles. That's it. It does not do anything at all. That's what I felt. Most of the Nivea skincare products are just like that, apart from maybe their body butters. I think the rest are just, they just claim and it does not do anything. I think this is also just like that. Now the next product is something I saw it 100 times and then I had to get it. Okay, so that was the whole story around this product, and it is the Milk Touch. What is it? Milk Touch All Day Skin Fit Cushion Foundation. It has a pretty packaging and everything, and that's about it. It just has pretty packaging. I solely hate this product. It did not do anything. If you are looking for a cushion foundation, definitely go for the Tilted one. It's much better, has more shades, has more undertones than this one. Just do not buy this. That's it. Anything that says acne, dry, glowy, whatever, that it helps to get rid of dry patches, just gives you glowy skin, or helps in reducing acne, I'm like, add to cart. The Dr. Althea 45 relief cream, and can you see how much I've used it? It does include panthenol, niacinamide, Centella asiatica. So I think all these products are really great for acne or somebody who has rosacea. So it really does what it claims. It just removes the redness, also calms your acne, and also helps in lightening up the acne scars. So the next product is the Milk Touch Jelly Glow Tints. I saw it online when I was searching for the Milk Touch Cushion Foundation, and I thought, yeah, it looks pretty, and let's try it out. So I did, and it adds a nice glow to the lips, and also it gives a plumper effect. I think now as I've applied it, it starts to tingle a bit, and it gives you a plumper effect, but it's not as bad as the Too Faced lip injection used to burn when I tried it for the first time. And I think this much is more gentler and also gives you that fuller effect. So the next one is an exfoliator, and I saw a US influencer using it, and I was like, yeah, I should try it. So I searched it on Amazon and I got it. So this is a pack of 2. So my skin was really dry and damaged, and it was really tan. So I got this one, and I could see like the dead skin coming off. So if you want to have a physical exfoliator, you can try this one out. So the next product is a tan removal thing. It was also an impulse buy after my Ladakh trip. So I thought, yeah, I really need something to remove the tan from my body. So I got it. It is the Nikoni Gluta Kojic Skin Polish. Clears tan in 20 minutes. I guess that is what caught my attention, and I was fooled. Do not buy this. It's just pure bleach. Do not damage your skin. Skip this one. Do not buy this. I think those were all the things that internet made me buy, and these are mostly good things, but a few misses here and there. But that's life, and yeah, it's okay. The ones that you find really nice, you can go in the description box and go to the links and buy them for yourself. I think that's it for this video. Bye bye.